Good morning. Today I am going to talk with you about creativity and designing in education. I will start this subject with the creativity. Creativity. The word came from a Latin create, came from Indo-European root care. Meaning of care is to grow. Creativity is to create something. It's something new. When you create, then you become a creator. If you see, the God has created the whole nature. So in education, is education to learn and education for creation, or a designing education is like becoming God-like. It's like you become a creator. God is a creator of a universe, but you grow from the human being to the giving and becoming a creator like a God. So I will go through A to Z about a creativity. So for a creativity, you need awareness, awakening, and anything to create, you have to aim, aspire and achieve. If you see here, it's creativity. After all, creativity is making something out of nothing. Adhi bija ekule, maga bija ankurale, ropa vadale. If you see in seed, there is nothing. But if seed goes into the clay under the earth, then it breaks, and out of that it creates a plant, and plant create a tree, and a tree create fruits, leaves and multiple things. So it's a creativity is also a process of a learning. After all, creativity is making something out of nothing. Growing brings something out of something. Now the stereotypes, it's like the regular education has become a stereotype, means learning from the blackboard, learning from the teacher. In the previous time it was holistic learning, learning with a guru, learning with the masters and learning arts, crafts. It's like it was awareness, why we are a part of nature and we are creating for the human being something which is very creative, and there was an awakening. It's like education was for evolving and then experiencing and then creating. So we will go the basic in a creativity. There is a need of a B for the bold idea. You have to have big idea. You have to be a creator to create. And now, is creativity is intuition or is a reason? We learn in the school and colleges all a reasoning, logical reasoning. How to write ABCD, how to write essay, how to write scientific equations or mathematics. But in education now, it's not only a learning, but it's like learning holistically, learning about everything. And the designing means now the design of education is required, because from a blackboard education it has become the education with a distance learning, with a way, with the new technology, it has become easy accessible. You don't have to be person to person. Right now I am on the video, so you can see it afterwards. Whatever I say about creativity, you don't have to be physical present face to face with me. I can put this on a Facebook and anybody, thousands and lakhs of my friends can see my talk about creativity. I can share, means book is one to one, book is printed in millions. That way this video is printed, seen by millions, and it's like those who choose to see, they will see. So is it in a creativity there is a reasoning or there is a intuition? So it's like choosing your media is a intuition. You can see there intuition is very prime in a creativity. And what are you going to say in a creativity? It's like not something which is old, but something you have to create new, which is not already said by anybody, but something you are telling very, very new. So creativity, if you see, has to have a concept, then you have to create a creation and make it and complete the completion. Now we see what we create. It's like we are talking about creativity and designing in education. See, the education before was only education, which is given by teachers, given by parents. If you see from childhood, from up to age of 7, mother gives the education to children, how to live with the world, then the father gives, then the teachers gives. So it's a education which is from a teacher to student. Now it has become a global education where there is a need of designers. There is a whatever dream you have to create into the design, and then the education has become now a very new way of a creation. It's like if you see education is working together, and it's like learning together, working alone, lonely with a one, it was a teacher's student relationship, one to one, but now you can sit in a distance education and create education and working together. So it's like now the education has gone on top. It is to evolve, to entertain, because the boring education is very difficult to see. The future is of our fantasy and fantastic education. So I am talking about the is it education is like a maths and technology, or is it art? Now we are talking the design education has become very prominent. The media education has become very prominent because there are no jobs for people with a simple graduate. You have to have specialized education in a computer graphics, in a if you see in IIT like place, we need designers, we need editors, we need cameramans, because we are designing the education with a creative way. So there is a creative people are required. We need a cameraman who knows about how to operate camera in the best way. We want editors, we need a production designers, we need a producer who is overall designer or a creator of the whole concept, from the concept to creation to completion. There is team of a graphic designer, typography designer, there is a visualizer, there is a digital cameraman, digital editor. If there are multiple camera, there is a multiple camera online editor. There is lot of new thing. It's art. Education is not only on the blackboard, somebody is blah 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 writing, but now it is with the instruction. If some technologists are talking about his technology, the education is not sat in the concept level. It has to be in the reality. They have to go to lab, show their lab, and then student, it's a greater learning, better learning. So in the media, people are required in the educational institute, in IIT like institute, in my own CDEEP, and CDEEP's 10 branches. It's now 100 crores worth of project, and 100 people working on the Akash project on MPTL, which is the prime education evolving project, where we have shifted education from blackboard to video technology, and each course of 40 lectures, which only IIT 100 to 200 student or 300 student per year used to see, now yearly more than 1 lakh students all over India and world and upcoming countries are listening and seeing IIT level education, and they are learning from it, because in that there are slides, there are actually lab demonstration, there are explanatory things which is used by the clear graphics, animations. So learning has become a designed. It's a computer aided learning. It's a interaction oriented learning. It's like everything is thought about a learner, and teacher is using all multimedia and designing the education. It's like education has not remained only like a textbook. With our MPTL web, there is a whole web course. It's not only a book. There are diagrams, there are interactive, some visuals, some animations, and it's like it's a great learning experience. So who will create that? There is a need of a web designer, there is a need of a web coordinator, writers, and the education has to be in the simply made language, where only you do not have to learn IIT level education being an IITian, but anywhere the person who can read and write and have inclination to learn can know about everything. He can know about physics, chemistry, design, computer graphics. So the world is easy with the creativity. If you see, it is not only maths, it is art. Now only analysis is not the small thing, it is like it has become a synthesis. It is like a future of education is fantasy. Means anybody, it is like you do not have to join, there are virtual classrooms, there are things you can sit anywhere in the world and can access from for a MIT courses or IIT courses. More than 120 courses we have put on the net, and on YouTube you can see NPTEL IIT Bombay, NPTEL IIT Kharagpur, all the programs from the signal processing to computer graphics to computer designing to programming, everything in the world which is related to higher education is created. But who will create that? As a producer, my experience of last 20 years, educational technology was only classroom recording, but now it is not a classroom recording, it is a multimedia goal, and it is like a giving of education to the whole globe. That is what we are doing. We are not only classroom teacher and classroom professor and he is teaching to the small classroom. It is like a distance classroom. Talk to the teacher. National Knowledge Mission is with the NKN. You can connect with many institutes in the whole India. It is like the education from one place to another place. There is a multiple web conference, video conferencing, many multiple ways where talents and designers and the media personnel and computer graphics artists, multiple design education is required to create this manpower. There are hopes, there are multiple hopes, and there are innovate, inspire and initiate is the part of education. One has to, in a creativity, it's not in, it's like to be with the world. If you have a simple any degree of arts, commerce or a science, you are not good enough for the new world of a computer. You have to have total literacy of a computer knowledge, and this kind of means media education, web education, internet education, education of the multiple kind is required to be with the new world. There is a social media, there are multiple things which is available in this arena, and there you have to be a Mr. J. It is not a joker, it is like a joy. If you know only college education, and if you are a graduate and you do not know how to communicate in the international language, where you have access to power with lakhs of slides, lakhs of content which is available. There are not only your professor, but any professor of that global knowledgeable professor, Nobel Prize winner is access, you have access to power to gain the education. So daily, even every second, you are getting the information from the world, and that few important moments is at your disposal. You can see repetition is boring, same kind of education is boring, different each time is a stimulating, that is called creativity. If you see, for one subject there are multiple things is available on the net. Which one is more related to human? You tell me. Is the education which is very boring, monotonous, same again, means which has taught in 1986 is taught in 1992, because every day, every technology, every way of listening, every way of teaching, every way of being is changing. Which one is more related to? If you see, nature evolve and change all the time. When are we going to do that? It's like, is this creativity does not discriminate about male and female. Creativity is inclusive, it includes everybody. educated, uneducated, there is lot of visual education and visual communication, graphics, and lot of means left brain and right brain is totally used, not only logical brain, but creative brain is used to create multiple things. Self denial, objectification, consumer of creativity. To live is to create. If you see today, if you want to live, you have to create, you have to accept the creation and then motivate yourself, motivate to others, and give the education to people. Creativity is fully using your potential, whatever is your potential you are using in the creativity. Facets of creativity. Facets of creativity is meaning, mechanism, and model. What you are going to show is the model of creativity. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new, said by Albert Einstein. So, this is creativity is now the new buzzword. Design education, education design means everywhere in art, technology, and design, creativity and designing is a must. Design life, design nature, design interior design, innovation design, graphic design, film design, media design, education design, everything. It's like nature mirroring is required. Whatever nature has designed very completely, that way we have to design our education, and education design is very important with the creativity. If you see, strive for a great and cut the crap. It's like try something new, don't be afraid. So, it's like the regular education is not going to take you to anywhere to lead in life or give interesting output. So, never rest until good becomes better and your better becomes best. It's like the education with the creativity is going to create you new for the new world. The challenge is good. This strategy worked for us before. This is all we have got time to do. Good enough. This attitude can be really dangerous enemies of a great result. Means you cannot play with the dolls now. You cannot play with the old education. Be a detective. You have to search, research, innovator, become an innovator and have inquiring mind like Sherlock, Columbo, or Poirot. Well, are you asking enough question to get deeper into the subject matter? Are you designing your education? Are you being a creative? Innovate. Hard climate of temples, fear and deadlines pressure can break down our bravery to challenge common assumptions. If you see transformer or any education, computer graphics, computer things, multiple way of being, you have to innovate. And it's like it's do you feel limited by the tiny, there is a lot of new areas has come with a mobile, you have to create lot of new things, new gadgets, virtual design, visual design. And how about imagining you have no budget at all, fire up your brain by making the problem ever bigger than it is. Slow down, speed up, experiment, have discipline, pursue new experience. Thanks. So, there are these 10 hints. It's like education, the creativity and designing in education is a new area, a new domain to learn new things the new way. It's not like already always education is not going to help anyhow. You have to go beyond your possibilities and learn, and while learning, earn and become a master of your life with the education with a design and a creativity. Thank you very much.